So here's a record one. Here's what it started like. Notice at the left hand side there, the big lip coming out that you don't normally get. Bit of weld on the top there, needs cleaning off. Tommy bar's a bit loose. It does need a very good clean, right? So it's getting degreased to start with. For those of you in England, this is Screwfix degreaser. It's £9 for 5 litres, and you can water it down as well. So it's really good value. Giving everything a good old scrub here, especially on the inside there. This was caked in grease on the inside. It's actually amazing the colour change from the first picture after a bit of degreasing. So it's a lovely green. Maybe I should have gone with this colour. So when people have even painted the slide bar, you never know what you're going to find underneath. Really lucky here. Just shiny, shiny metal. Okay, time to stick in a quick mention of another channel. This is Junk Frame. There'll be a link underneath in the description. Only got a couple of videos at the minute, but they're very good. After coming off the big wire wheel, there are a few intricate places that still need wire wheeling, so I'm using it on the end of the drill here. And now it's time to get rid of them horrible casting marks. They are disgusting. Now, if you're going to work on jaws and do a bit of grinding, I think it's best to put them both together like this. Then you can't end up with one at a slightly different height to the other. This way they'll finish up exactly the same level. That was a fair bit of work there to get rid of that casting and get the jaws level, but it does look a lot nicer and smoother now. And now to finish up an 800 grit just across the top of the jaws to leave them lovely and shiny. Right, over to the clean area now to masking tape up around, because I'm going to spray the base of this piece black, hard hat black obviously, to give it a bit of protection. And the other side, the dynamic jaw, I'm going to tape that up and spray the inside black. Adding a nice thick bit of fencing wire there to make it look so that I can hang it up and spray it. Okay, they've had a couple of coats of black already. Just give them another one just to get any gaps that have missed. And that is the base and the inside protected. Okay, so here's what it looked like before. And here's what it looks like in my green and red. Notice how the 1 from the number 1 disappears behind that coat. This is very unusual. If you've got a record vise at home, wind the jaws in and see if your number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 disappears like that. Haven't found another one like yet. It also hasn't got Made in England anywhere on it at all. Just number 1 and record. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you like this vise. If you like it a lot, it's on eBay. Have a good day and see you soon. Bye for now.